Hey guys, Brett here, metal fabrication buyer at Princess Auto. Welcome to another edition of Buyer's Corner. Today I wanted to introduce you to what is hands down the best welding helmet I have ever seen. Introducing the ProPoint 8000X TRUBLU Auto-Darkening welding helmet. This helmet has one of the largest viewing areas on the market, a staggering 4x4 inches, which equals approximately 16 square inches of total viewing area. ProPoint 8000X also features a 1111 optical classification, the highest possible classification for optical clarity, 4 arc sensors and 1 ambient light sensor, 3 memory functions to store different shade sensitivities and delay options into 3 easily accessible preset controls. Choice of either manual or automatic shade adjustments. Shade range can be adjusted from shade 5 to 9 and shade 9 to 13. Includes dedicated external grind mode, low amperage TIG rating of greater than 2 amps, locking shade, low battery indicator, automatic power on and off to save battery life, and fully Csa Approved. This helmet is part of our exclusive line of ProPoint TRUBLU welding helmets with Blue Lens high-definition filter technology. It greatly improves the optics, allowing the user a full spectrum of color and also helps alleviate eye fatigue. This phenomenal welding helmet can be found today at your local Princess Auto store.